Hey everybody, it's Captain Drew Cavanaugh here from Florida Inshore Fishing Charters, and today I'm going to do a review recommendation over a product that I swear by. I've been using for a long time, the HotHands Hand Warmer. They're ready to use, air activated, natural heat. They last, I don't know, 5, 6, 7 hours. For me, when it gets to be in the 50s, 60s, 40s, the 30s are unthinkable. In the 50s and 60s, like yesterday we had a cold front come through on my charter. I'm a professional charter boat captain, so it was probably, I think it was 43 degrees when I left my house yesterday morning. Got to the boat ramp. First thing I do is I break out my HotHands hand warmers, put them in my pockets, offer my clients some. Of course, they were from up north. They were like, oh, this is great weather. I'm like, this is cold. But it's a product that I love, I swear by. I stumbled across these a few years ago on Amazon. I ordered some. I've been using them ever since then. Now, granted, we only use them a few times a year, but if you're like me in a state where we're not used to cold, they're great. And I bet you up north where it gets really cold, you can use these a lot. I mean a lot. So again, it's the HotHands hand warmers, and they're a great product. I highly suggest you get you some, and you're going to be very, very happy with them. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Thank you.